Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is he is not a straight shooter. He is not a straight shooter. वो सीधा साधा नहीं है. Second, you just ignore him and go ahead. You just ignore him and go ahead. तुम बस उसे नज़रअंदाज करो और आगे बढ़ो. यानी जब आपको कोई ताना मारता है किसी भी काम के लिए कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते या वो इस तरह के, तो उस वक्त आप ये बोल सकते हैं यू जस्ट इग्नोर हिम एंड गो अहेड. आप उसे बस नज़रअंदाज करो और आगे बढ़ो. 3. वाई डू यू फ्रेंडशिप विद सच काइंड ऑफ पीपल. वाई डू यू फ्रेंडशिप विद सच काइंड ऑफ पीपल. तुम ऐसे लोगों के साथ दोस्ती क्यों करते हो. 4. वन डे यू विल बी eaten by them and you won't even know. One day you will be eaten by them and you won't know. एक दिन तुम्हें इन्होंने बेच के खा जाना है और तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलना. 5. Get away from such a person. Get away from such a person. ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो. 6. How many times have I prohibited you. How many times have I prohibited you. तुम्हें कितनी बार मैंने मना किया है. I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. मेरा दिल तो कर रहा है मैं उसे थप्पड़ मार दूं. 8. I've seen a lot people like you. I've seen a lot people like you. मैंने तेरे जैसे बहुत लोग देखे हैं. 9. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. मेरी तो वाट लग गई. 10. Don't nag me. Don't nag me. मेरे पीछे मत पड़ो. 11. He has a habit of smacking his face. Has a habit of smacking his face. उसे तो मुंह मारने की आदत है. 12. He is number one bastard. He is number one bastard. वो एक नंबर का कमीना है. 13. You don't even talk to me. You don't even talk to me. तुम तो मुझसे बात भी मत करो. 14. But why what did I spoil you. But why what did I spoil you. लेकिन क्यों, मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है. 15. You always have a quarrel with someone. You always have a quarrel with someone. तुम्हारा हमेशा ही किसी ना किसी के साथ झगड़ा रहता है. 16. When will you stop these actions. When will you stop these actions. तुम कब बाज आओगे इन हरकतों से. 17. You leave mine and tell yours. You leave mine and tell yours. तुम मेरी छोड़ो और अपनी बताओ. 18. After all, what is something that is not letting you stick. After all, what is something that is not letting you stick. आखिर ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो तुम्हें टिकने ही नहीं देती. 19. I'll try my best to do it. I'll try my best to do it. मैं इसको करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा, यानी अपनी जीन जान लगा दूँगा इसको करने के लिए. The last one is 20. Forgive me if any of words have offended you. Forgive me if any of words have offended you. अगर मेरी किसी बात से आपको बुरा लगा हो तो मुझे माफ़ कर देना. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.